Ah, look at you, Butterbeans. Look at you walking like a big boy. I know. Come here. Come here. You come get Mama. You gonna come get Mama? Mama. Hey. Can you say quack quack? He says, Daddy has food.
Say apple?
Apple. I say apple.
Lauren, can I get a video of your brother without you jumping in?
No.
No, I guess not, huh?
He's jealous of everything.
Come here, come sit by Mommy and watch the video, and then we'll do one of you again, okay?
Hey, corn.
You want to try one? What do you say to Daddy?
Thank you.
Butterbeans. Hi.
These things take a while to eat, Mama.
Can I have a Smilers? Hey, little beans.
You get any smiles?
Nope. Here's a little Smilers. All right.